I would say the most popular back to school items are stethoscopes, blood pressure kits, tuning forks, goniometers. You have your neurological hammers, eyewear, tape measures, and it also is going to depend on what program you're going into, whether you're going into a medical program, a PA program, or a nursing program. Medical programs, you're also going to need diagnostic sets, which we do manufacture here at ADC. You're going to need your stethoscopes but more high-end stethoscopes, preferably cardiology, a convertible type stethoscope. And if you're going into a PA program, you're going to need a higher end stethoscope, your blood pressure kit, diagnostic sets as well. Nursing programs, mainly you're looking at stethoscope, blood pressure, tuning forks, accessories as far as scissors, the Medicut shears, um, different types of surgical shears, depending on what you are required to have.